9. Fractions. Hi children. Fractions are ways to represent parts of a whole. A ratio is a relationship between two or more numbers that can be sometimes expressed as a fraction. Comparing fractions with the same denominator only requires comparing the numerators. If two positive fractions have the same numerator, then the fraction with the smaller denominator is the larger number. In this chapter, you will learn about fractions. Chapter 9. Fractions. Let's remind. A fraction represents part of a whole. It shows part of a whole region, 1/4, or part of a whole collection, 2/5. In the fraction 2/6, 2 is called numerator and 6 is called denominator. Numerator tells about the parts being referred to. Denominator tells about the total number of parts. Do these. Revision. 1. Write the fractions for the shaded and unshaded parts of the figures given below. Representation. Two. Write the fractions for the shaded and unshaded parts of the collections given below. Representation. Three. Write the numerator and denominator in the following fractions. Communication. Four. Encircle the unit fractions in the following. Reasoning proof. Five. Represent the following fractions on the number line. Representation. Six. Write whether the following group of fractions are like or unlike. Reasoning proof. Seven. Write the following fractions in descending order. Reasoning proof. 8. Fill in the boxes with greater than or smaller than. Reasoning proof. Nine. Write 5 equivalent fractions for each of the following. Reasoning proof. Finding the missing part in equivalent fractions. We can find the missing part in equivalent fractions as given below. Example 1. 6 by 7 is equal to 24 by how much? Solution. We know that 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4. So, 6 by 7 is equal to 6 into 4 by 7 into how much? Is equal to 6 into 4 divided by 7 into 4 is equal to 24 by 28. So, the missing number is 28. Example 2. Find a fraction equivalent to 2 by 8 and having 16 as denominator. Solution. 2 by 8 is equal to how much by 16? We know that 16 divided by 8 is equal to 2. So, 2 by 8 is equal to 2 into how much divided by 8 into 2 is equal to 2 into 2 by 8 into 2 is equal to 4 by 16. So, the numerator of the equivalent fraction is 4. To check whether two fractions are equivalent or not, note. First, find the product of the numerator of the first fraction and the denominator of the second fraction. Then, find the product of the denominator of the first fraction and the numerator of the second fraction. If these two cross products are equal, then the given fractions are equivalent, otherwise not. This method of checking for equivalence is called the method of cross multiplication. Example 1. Check the equivalence of 3 by 4 and 9 by 12. Solution. 3 by 4 and 9 by 12. 3 into 12 is equal to 36. 4 into 9 is equal to 36. 36 is equal to 36. So, 3 by 4 and 9 by 12 are equivalent fractions. Example 2. Check the equivalence of 5 by 7 and 3 by 5. Solution. 5 by 7 and 3 by 5. 5 into 5 is equal to 25. 7 into 3 is equal to 21. 25 is not equal to 21. Mean is not equal to. So, 5 by 7 and 3 by 5 are not equivalent fractions. Do these. 1. 1. Find the missing numerators. Problem solving. Two. Find the missing denominators. Problem solving. Three. Find the equivalent fractions of the given fractions as required in each case. Reasoning proof. Four. Check whether each of the following pairs of fractions are equivalent or not. Reasoning proof. to check whether the given fractions are in their lowest terms or not. Let's see the following examples. Example 1. Check whether the fraction 5 by 8 is in its lowest terms. Factors of numerator 1 and 5. 5 by 8. Factors of denominator 1, 2, 4 and 8. Common factors 1. The numerator and the denominator have no common factors other than 1. So, 5 by 8 is in its lowest terms. Example 2. Check whether the fraction 9 by 18 is in its lowest terms. Factors of numerator 1, 3 and 9. 9 by 18. Factors of denominator 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Common factors 1, 3 and 9. The numerator and the denominator have common factors other than 1. So, 9 by 18 is not in its lowest terms. A fraction is said to be in its lowest terms if both the numerator and the denominator have only 1 as their common factor. Simplification of fractions. Example: simplify 36 by 42. Solution: 36 by 42 is equal to 36 divided by 2 by 42 divided by 2 is equal to 18 by 21 is equal to 18 divided by 3 by 21 divided by 3 is equal to 6 by 7. 6 and 7 have no common factors other than 1. So, 6 by 7 cannot be reduced further. Hence, 6 by 7 is the lowest form of 36 by 42. To simplify the given fraction, we have to divide both the numerator and the denominator of the fraction successively by their common factors till such stage where the numerator and denominator have no common factors other than 1. Thus, simplification means reducing the given fraction to its lowest terms. Do this too. Simplify. Problem solving. Type of fractions. 1. Like fractions. Fractions with the same denominators are called like fractions. Example: 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 5 by 8, 7 by 8, etc. 2. Unlike fractions. Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. Example: 3 by 8, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 3 by 5, etc. 3. Unit fractions. Fractions having 1 as numerator are called unit fractions. Example: 1 by 6, 1 by 8, 1 by 5, 1 by 2, etc. 4. Proper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is less than the denominator is called a proper fraction. Example 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 7 by 12, etc. 5. Improper fraction. A fraction in which the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator is called an improper fraction. Example 5 by 3, 7 by 6, 14 by 11, 8 by 8, etc. 6. Mixed fractions. Observe the following. Here one whole less 1 by 2 of another picture of same size is shaded. 1 plus 1 by 2 or 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. Such type of fractions are called mixed fractions. Mixed fractions are combinations of a whole number and a proper fraction. Example 3 1 by 2, 2 1 by 3, 5 3 by 4, etc. Do these 3. 1. Which groups of fractions are like and which are unlike? Reasoning proof. 2. Pick out the unit fractions. Reasoning proof. 3. Separate into proper and improper fractions. Reasoning proof. 4. Which of the following fractions are mixed fractions? Reasoning proof. 5. Comparison of fractions. We know how to compare two fractions with the same denominator and also with the same numerator. 1. If two fractions have the same denominator, the fraction having the greater numerator is greater than the other. Example 4 by 15 and 7 by 15. The two fractions have the same denominator, so we have to compare the numerators. Here 4 is less than 7, so 4 by 15 is less than 7 by 15. 2. If two fractions have the same numerator, the fraction having the smaller denominator is greater than the other. Example 3 by 5 and 3 by 2. The two fractions have the same numerator, so we have to compare the denominators. Here 5 is greater than 2, so 3 by 5 is less than 3 by 2. Do this 4. Compare the following fractions by using either of the symbols greater than or less than. Reasoning proof.